Hello everyone, this printer is Epson ET-2862. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to copy documents with this printer. To copy documents, open the scanner and stick the document you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from the bottom right. You will see a white arrow. Then close the cover. This document is A4. You select this button to copy black. Select this button to copy color. If you want to copy more than one, you need to keep pressing it. We want to copy this once. This is the document we copied, black, and the document is a black text. This is the one we copied. Now I want us to copy this in color. Stick the document face down, then close this. Select this button to copy color once. This is the document we copied, color. If you want to copy it more than one, then you press this once, then select it again. If you change your mind, press the stop button to cancel it. Now to copy the next page, select this. Select it again. Now, if you want to copy it two-sided, you take the document, reload it on the tray. For example, reload it if you want to copy two-sided. Reload the document, then select copy. This is the document we copied two-sided. Copied it two-sided. So this is how to copy document with this printer. Now I want us to copy this in black. So select black. 1, 2, 3. I want us to see if we can copy. This is the black text. So it's printing. So for you to copy multiple, you need to wait for the document to print out, then you select copy again for it to work. go. This is how to copy document with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.